Hey there, skateboarding enthusiasts and parents looking for the best skateboard for kids. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Today, we're diving into the world of skateboarding with the Magneto Complete Skateboard. This skateboard is making waves as one of the best options for kids in the market. Stick around as we break down all the features and benefits this skateboard has to offer. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Magneto Complete Skateboard. This skateboard is designed with kids and beginners in mind, making it a fantastic choice for young aspiring skaters. It's also suitable for teens and adults who are just starting their skateboarding journey. Now, what sets this skateboard apart from the competition? Well, let's delve into its key features. The Magneto Complete Skateboard is crafted by skaters, inspired by the rich skate culture of Southern California, the birthplace of skateboarding. It's clear that they've put their expertise into designing a skateboard that's not only functional but also stylish. This skateboard is all about convenience. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, making it the perfect companion for skaters who are always on the go. The double kicktails on this skateboard add a whole lot of fun and versatility to your riding experience. Whether you're into manis, ollies, flip tricks, or just general tic-tacking, these kicktails have got you covered. The deck is the heart of any skateboard, and this one doesn't disappoint. It's made from premium 7-ply hard maple, ensuring strength and durability. Plus, it comes with an 80-grit premium grip on top to keep your feet firmly in place. The skateboard is equipped with SHR Formula 52mm 95A urethane wheels, premium ABEC 5 bearings, 5 inches aluminum skate trucks, and 90 ASHR urethane bushings. These components are carefully selected to provide you with an ideal cruising experience. So, why do we consider the Magneto Complete Skateboard the best skateboard for kids? It's specifically designed with young riders in mind, providing them with a safe and enjoyable skateboarding experience. The Magneto Complete Skateboard offers two sizes: the 27.5 model for younger kids aged 5 to 10 and the 31 model for older kids aged 11 to 18. This means you can choose the perfect fit for your child. The premium 80-grit grip tape ensures that your child's feet stay firmly planted on the board, promoting stability and confidence while learning to skate. Now, let me share a personal experience with you. I got this skateboard for my 10-year-old niece, and she absolutely loves it. The vibrant design and smooth ride have made it her new favorite outdoor activity. It's been an excellent way for her to stay active and develop balance and coordination. In conclusion, the Magneto Complete Skateboard is a top pick for kids, beginners, teens, and even adults who are just starting their skateboarding journey. With its quality craftsmanship, portability, double kicktails, and premium components, it offers a fantastic riding experience that's both safe and fun. So, if you're looking for the best skateboard for kids that combines quality, style, and performance, look no further than the Magneto Complete Skateboard. It's sure to provide hours of excitement and help your child develop their skateboarding skills. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on the latest products. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next one.